Understanding, Plan a Comeback, a guide for English learners. Hello, and welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase, plan a comeback. This phrase is widely used in various contexts, and understanding it can really enhance your English language skills. So, let's dive in. The phrase, plan a comeback, refers to the act of preparing to return to a previous position or state, especially after a period of absence, decline, or failure. It's often used in sports, entertainment, and business. A comeback implies a return to a former good condition or position. 1. Sports. When an athlete is injured and then trains to return to their sport, they are planning a comeback. 2. Career. If someone takes a break from their career and later decides to return, they are planning a career comeback. 3. Personal life. Overcoming personal challenges and returning to a normal or improved state can also be seen as planning a comeback. 1. After her injury, the tennis player planned a comeback for the next season. 2. The CEO planned a comeback strategy to recover the company's lost market share. 3. Following a period of isolation, he planned a comeback to social life with renewed confidence. Don't confuse it with just making a plan. It specifically involves returning from a setback. It's not always about returning to the same state. It can also mean improving or evolving from the past position. Mount a comeback, more active and immediate. Stage a comeback, often used in showbiz or sports. Bounce back, similar, but less emphasis on planning. That's all about plan a comeback. Remember, this phrase is about preparing to return stronger or regain a lost position. It's a powerful concept that can be applied in many areas of life. We hope this video helps you understand and use this phrase effectively in your English conversations. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.